Hi everyone, welcome to JSR Voice. Now I want to discuss with you one problem and its solution under income from capital gains. Already I discussed a few problems and its solutions in the previous lectures. If anyone wants to go through all those, you can go to my channel and you can visit playlist, and there you can select income from capital gain, so that you will find all the lectures related to this income from capital gains problems and its solutions. Hope this is clear for everyone. Let us go to our problem solution. Now I want to discuss with you this question and its solution. So this question I took from Hamsrala Publications. Author name is Prem Raja. Let us go and discuss this now. First of all, understanding question is very important, students. Once you understand the question, then you will be able to apply the rules and regulations and you can solve your solutions easily. So here, Srimati Rukmini, she purchased a flat for rupees 14 lakhs 50,000. So here she purchased one flat. It is nothing but like a building house. Okay. So we should consider 2 years period to determine whether that is short term capital asset or long term capital asset. Okay. Why we should determine whether that is short term capital asset or long term capital asset? If the asset is short-term capital asset, we will deduct cost of acquisition while doing solution. If our asset is long-term capital asset, we are going to deduct index to cost of acquisition. Okay, so hope this is clear for everyone. And here purchasing price of the flat is 14 lakhs 50,000 in Krishna Apartments, Dwaraka. And she purchased it on 2nd November 2022. Okay, so our previous year starts from April 1st to 2023 and ends on 31st March 2024. Just before the previous year, she purchased that house. And she sold the same to Radha on 3rd July 2023. Okay, here you should observe one point. She purchased in November 2022 and she is selling in July 2023. She is not even holding that asset for a period of 1 year at least. Okay, she is using for less than 1 year. Okay, it means she is using that asset for less than 2 years and she is selling it off. And here we have to treat it as short term capital asset. Hope this is clear. And selling price of the asset is 16 lakhs. Selling price is called consideration received. And selling expenses are 11,000. Okay, and cost inflation index for 2023 and 24 348. Everyone know this. And next, compute income from capital gain for the current assessment year. So this is very simple problem and let us go and discuss that. So whenever you do solution, first of all what you have to do is you have to know the format. Okay, so format whatever we are going to follow, that you should know before going into the solution. This is a format that we are going to follow. And on the top we should give heading, students. What heading? Computation of income from capital gains of Mrs. Here Srimati. Okay, she is Srimati, so Mrs. we can write Mrs. Rukmini. Name of the assessee is Rukmini. So Rukmini for the current assessment year 2024 and 25. This is a heading and columns are particulars amount, and always first item is consideration received, students. Consideration received means selling price of the asset. Selling price of the asset is 16 lakhs. So let us take 16 lakhs there. 16 lakhs is a selling price. Less selling expenses are transfer expenses. We should deduct selling expenses are transfer expenses. How much? 11,000. They have given here that as 11,000. Let us go and deduct there. 11,000. And if you deduct 11,000 from 16 lakhs, you should see how much you get. 16 lakhs minus 11,000. So you will get 15 lakhs 89,000, students. 15 lakhs 89,000. So we should name it as net consideration. Already I recorded in the format, you can check it. Okay, and after this we should deduct either cost of acquisition or indexed cost of acquisition. So if our asset is short-term asset, we deduct the cost of acquisition. If our asset is long-term asset, we deduct indexed cost of acquisition. So here our asset is short-term asset because flat is used for less than 2 years and he sold it off. So we are going to deduct only cost of acquisition. Cost of acquisition means purchasing price of the asset, original cost of the asset. Okay, so what is the original cost of the asset? 14,50,000. So that is known as cost of acquisition. Students, in the examination they give for short net consideration, what is indexed cost of acquisition, what is cost of acquisition. Okay, they may ask like that. You should be able to write the definitions. So cost of acquisition means original cost of the asset, that is 14,50,000, and you should deduct that 14,50,000 from 15,89,000. You should, what is the calculation? 15,89,000 minus 14,50,000. So you get 1,39,000 students. 1,39,000. Okay. And next, indexed cost of improvement. If any additions are there, we should calculate that. But we don't have any additions here. Okay. So if you want, you can remove this completely. If you don't want to remove it, you can put dash. And this is short term asset, we don't have indexed cost of improvement, we will have cost of improvement only, and here we don't have it, so it is nil. Next you get same amount, 1,39,000. You get same amount, 1,39,000. Next, deductions under section 54. In this problem we don't have any deductions, so I'm going to write nil here. And next, if we deduct that, we get again 1,39,000. So this is income from capital gains. Hope this is clear for everyone. Okay, so here this is a question that I discussed with you all. I will show it clearly. So this is a question that I discussed with you all. This I have taken from Hamstala Publications. Author name is Premraja, H. Premraja. And this is a solution part that we did. Hope this is clear for everyone. Okay. If you understand this class, share this video to other students, those who require it, so that it will be helpful for them in the examination. So, like the video, share it and subscribe the channel. Thank you.